Hello, welcome to the Clo tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through creating a customized avatar using the Avatar Editor feature. First, load the default female avatar from the Clo Library Avatar folder. Then click Avatar in the main menu bar and select Avatar Editor to open the window. The size chart is at the bottom of the window. We will start by inputting the width and height measurements. We continue with underbust, 28, and total height, 66. As you can see, once these values are input, the circumference, height, and length values below are automatically adjusted. This is because Clo uses algorithm-based data to find the most natural body shape based on the width and height we've just entered. Let's also enter the inseam value to create a more accurate body shape. Next, click on the Show All Measurements icon. It will display all the deactivated items. Now, let's start with the items under the height category. The automatically populated bust height is already quite close to the value in the size chart. This means the algorithm-based data is effectively reflecting the body shape of a real human figure. You can activate the measurement and input your value if you need more detailed adjustments. Here, as the difference is in the tolerance, we will leave it as it is. Let's move on to the next items. The underbust value is also in the tolerance range. Therefore, you may choose to activate and adjust the value or leave it as is. Next is waist height. Here you can see a difference compared to the size chart, about an inch or more. In this case, the size needs to be adjusted. To do so, it is recommended to first adjust the measure line to match the chart. Then, activate and enter your measurement. To adjust the measure line, we use the Edit Measure tool. Then click on the waist measure line and drag it downward. As you do this, you'll notice that the waist height value in the Avatar Editor adjusts accordingly. Try to match it with the value in the size chart. Now, we compare the measurement value with the adjusted line. Once again, if the algorithm-generated value is within the tolerance range, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can always apply the exact value from the chart. Just like with the waist, you can also adjust the measure lines of high hip and low hip. If there's a slight discrepancy between the chart and the current values, simply drag the lines to align them with the size chart. Once you've finished adjusting the height-related items, let's now move to Set Details to activate specific measurement fields. Here in the checkbox list, you can select the size items you wish to enter manually. One thing to note is that the center back neck to wrist value under length is calculated by adding the arm length and half of the across shoulder center back neck values. Therefore, instead of entering all three values, we recommend entering either the value of center back neck to wrist or arm length and across shoulder center back neck. Once done, close the window. Now complete the avatar by entering the values for the size chart in the active item. We hope that this tutorial helps you building your own avatar with your size chart. Thanks for watching.